In this how-to video, we will be installing solid sidewalls or full-size sidewalls for TSIT cabinets. Part number is 9969956 for this exercise. They are 2,000 tall, 1,200 deep sidewalls. You get a pair of sidewalls plus the hardware to put them on. The hardware consists of sidewall mounting brackets, 4 hangers, T30 screws, and T25 hex heads. The first thing you want to do to make it easier is to open the door on the front side. Now, any given vertical profile on the TS8 has 7 exterior holes. On the front of the cabinet, 4 of these holes will be consumed by door hardware, hinges or catches. That means the remaining spaces is where we will put our sidewall brackets, so that leaves us with 3 of them. In this video, I'm starting at the top and working my way down. Doesn't matter, any order that you want to install them will work just fine. For this, I'm using a Torx 30 bit and the flathead T30 fasteners going from the outside through the through hole in the bracket to the frame. On the rear side of the cabinet, it's easier to open the door to gain access to these holes. Now, one way that you can do it, and probably the preferred method, is from the outside in, using the T30 Torx screw through the through hole into the frame. Optionally, you can also go from inside of the frame out. You may do this if, for example, you have to get in behind a panel that you don't want to remove, such as a door, for example, but the cabinet's designed that you should not have to have that problem. There are mid-mounting brackets depending on the depth of the sidewall. And in this case, the instructions will show you how to measure and to place the mid-mount bracket. This is using a self-tapping screw and a T25. Place this at the top and the bottom midway through. Now, something that's really important is to use these small hangers. On the upper lip of the cabinet, you will find a place to place these hangers. If you need to use a small mallet to tap them into place, that's fine. What this does is it holds the panel in place and makes sure that all the holes line up properly. Once I have all my hardware on, I simply take the sidewall up, lift it up, engage the hangers on the top, and ensure that the holes are lined up. You can give it a bump to the right or the left if you have to make sure that the holes line up. If some of the holes don't line up perfectly, hit the ones that do, and it will pull everything else into alignment, and eventually you'll be able to put every fastener in every hole and securely have your sidewall on the cabinet. Repeat this all the way around, and now you have your sidewall on your cabinet. This is how you install a full-size sidewall onto a TSIT cabinet. Thank you.